Welcome to STEMIEfest. Attending a conference is a great way to connect with people, and STEMIEfest is no exception, even if it is virtual. Taking 3 to 4 minutes to edit your profile on Sketch can help you start networking with other attendees. This tutorial will show you how to edit your profile. First, open STEMIEfest 2020 Sketch. Next, click on the circle in the upper right corner of your screen and then select Settings. Now you have a chance to make choices about making your profile and schedule public and receiving emails. You can also add personal details such as email address, position and location, and write a little bio to share your interests. If you wish to be contacted by other attendees, you can share your email in this box. If you are active on social media, you can connect with Facebook and Twitter by selecting the icon and then entering your Twitter or Facebook ID and password. Uploading a photo or avatar can be done here as well. Select Upload New Photo, then click on the cloud to navigate to your photo on your device, and then wait for it to tell you that it's ready. It's ready, so click Next. Select Next, then Accept. And you're all set. That's all there is to it. You can return to your profile at any time by selecting your face in the upper right-hand corner. Remember to save settings. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your STEMIEfest adventure.